Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video is Sunday, and normally I only go to Family Dollar on Saturdays, but because I messed up yesterday's deal, I decided to come back over and I'm gonna return the items that I need to return. So these are the items that I need to return. So I need to return these Tide Pods. I need to return these 2 Max Fresh. I also need to return this Soleil razors, Suave Sweet Pea, these 2 deodorants, Degree for women's and then Degree for men's. And I also need to return this Colgate Optic White. Why do I need to return those items? It's due to the fact that the deal did not work. So it obviously did not come off on certain accounts that I had put in for. So I'm just going to return those. And I missed out on 2 of my accounts using my $5 off yesterday. So you know I'm upset about that. All right, so here I am back at Family Dollar. All right, so I'm back in the car. When I say that sometimes people make couponing so hard, right? To the point where the app told me that I was able to take $2 off of Herbal Essence, right? So I tried to get this box of Herbal Essence. For some reason it wouldn't take off the $2. So the lady, the manager, basically just gave it to me for free. She was like, look, there you go. But I did end up basically returning the other stuff and only putting like $3 towards this actual deal. So I did get the herbal. I did end up getting everything off of my Post-it note, but since I had some other coupons and I don't know if I'm going to be able to coupon next Saturday due to my grandmother having a birthday party, and I'll be having to help out with that all day. So I end up getting the Herbal Essence, and then I also end up getting the CoverGirl powder, the Nivea Nourishing Shea Butter body wash, some soft soap, cocoa body scrub, and then shea and almond oil. I also got Suave milk honey body wash, and then I also got Febreze Moonlight Breeze, what do you call a small spaces little thing. And then I got Colgate, Glade, and a thing of Lysol, Snuggle because I had a paper coupon, and then Olay because I had a coupon with that as well. And so that deal came out to basically 30 because it didn't take off for the herbal. So what I returned back is basically everything that I got here, but at least everything came off on that deal. These items that added up to that $30 that I just returned today did not come with, the coupon to be taken off. So I'm getting ready to pull into Krispy Kreme, and I will show you guys at home the items that I did end up getting.